the human connection and reading people's energy. So this is one of the workshops in the August Energy Camp. This is about bringing about human connection. Sometimes it's not easy to make with people, sometimes it takes a long time to make connection, but we're going to show you how to quickly make that energy connection through which energy and information can travel, and you can receive, interpret, experience other people's energy, and with your sixth sense and your conscious mind watching, paying attention, asking questions, you can start to get information from other people's energy by receiving and experiencing it first yourself. So we're going to teach you how to do this, what we call the energy handshake, to create a very quick and rich connection with another person, and then from that connection, how to read their energy. What are we going to read? Well, it's always good to read the best in people, and people always like to hear back, reflected to them, the best of themselves. And if we have time after our practice, we'll be able to do something to help a person get closer to who they really are, inspired by the reading that we do for them. So, beautiful human connection and reading people's energy, just one of the workshops on the August Energy Camp. I hope you'll join us.